Hind Friends. In this video we will talk about Jbl Tune 125 TWS truly wireless earphones. This Jbl truly wireless earphone comes with Bluetooth connectivity having 10 meters of connectivity range. It is compact and stylish. If we will talk about battery, it comes with 850 mAh battery which is very impressive. It has 8 hours of continuous playback time as well as 32 hours of standby time. This earphone has a best thing, which is if you are running out of battery, then charge it for 15 minutes and after that you can use it for an hour as well. Talking about the bass, which is very deep. If you love to hear the deep bass boosted songs or hip hop songs, definitely this is the best earbuds for you. Now it's time to do the unboxing now. As we can see inside of the package, you will get user manual as well as the warranty card. Obviously we guys are not going to read that, so moving forward towards the main point. It has 3 sets of ear tips, which is small, middle and large, and you can adjust as per your size. One C-type charging cable, charging case whose build quality is totally awesome, as well as this is very hard. It has a C-type port for charging the case, for charging the earbuds, and the very important thing, which is one pair of earbuds as well. The design of earbuds are so classy, as well as weight is not too much. That means you can use it for a long period of time. Now we will try to connect it with the mobile phone. Obviously first time it will take some time to get paired, so let us see. It's connected within 5 seconds. That's awesome. After pairing, whenever we will open the case, it will connect automatically, as you can see here. Moving forward, we will talk about the pros and cons. First of all, we will talk about the pros, or you can say the advantage. The bass of this earbud is very good, which is a high deep bass. The build quality is totally awesome. Battery life is so good. The case is fast charging. That means you can charge it as very fast as compared to other earphones. This is so compact, so you can easily carry here and there, and the noise cancellation is totally awesome. You can talk over the phone. If you will talk about the disadvantage, in my point of view, there is only one disadvantage, which is this is not a sweat proof or waterproof. That means you cannot use this inside of the shower. In summarize, we can say this earbud is good for that people who like to hear the deep bass, as well as who like to hear the hip hop songs. If you are that one, definitely go for this. But do remember, normally it will cost you in between 6,000 to 8,000 rupees. So try to buy this in the period of sales, like during the sales of on Flipkart, like either it could be Big Billion Sale, it could be Diwali sale, or whatever that is. It will cost you only 2,499 rupees. Hind Friends, see you again in the next video. Take care.